Okay, so good morning. We are starting the streaming for today, which is Friday, 26th of May, 2023. So I went short right here this morning, and I'm still long from there yesterday. We clearly see some downside momentum, which is logical with all the headline, blah, 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 the noise around the, let's say the debt ceiling story. So we are breaking back under the 2360. We had a daily close under it, as I said in the trading room. So it will be very nice, very important to see how we close the weekly. And we are now right on the daily open inside the time pivot, 9+10 time pivot. So I just took a small long right now here on the open 13th, which is the daily open of today. So on today daily open, we'll see how it goes. If it has to bounce, it could bounce back now, and keep on squeezing. I was looking for a retest of the 2140 together with the monthly 2021 exponential moving average and everything over there. So we'll see if we can get it, or if we just break lower now and run for the. Sorry, I'm just getting ready with stops. Very, very, very tight. Okay, so we'll see how it unfolds there. It's important. We are just under the 2360 on the open Monday 13th and this daily open, and we came back inside the ASEAN session area. So we have to see how we behave here. The squeeze. The long USD squeeze could keep on, even if we are bouncing nicely in this area, which is the 2360 fib. So that would be calling for higher. The next blue fib of those one that has been holding the price is over there, which would put the Euro USD probably in the area of the 38% fib. But for now, it's too early to say that. Yeah, it's 1.90%. And if we look at this, that's the problem with this chart, the time frame, but yeah, it would be this 32 fib exactly. Okay, so back, so as I just say, 107.26 is my long add for now. Of course, everybody wants to get short here. That's why anyway I get short over there this morning. So we had this squeeze yesterday when everybody saw this breakout and was getting excited to sell the Euro USD. Then they have been stopped out, I think even hardly for some of them. And now I would not be surprised to see a continuation of that move, because it would be too simple to just turn back lower now. I'm back in 2 seconds, going to grab some drinks. Okay, very good. So exactly as I was thinking, this is bouncing right here. So it's important because it's 9-10 time pivots on a perfect level, which is the daily open here, which is a previous London open. So I said it would be too easy to be short there. And that's exactly what market is showing us now. Oh, very good. Wonderful. So I will draw here the trade not to have to repeat them all the time. The trade running. Okay. Long here, and a small, a short there. So we'll see if we break up or if we squeeze again, which would be for me better. For me, I mean, from the price action point of view. I don't speak about my trades, of course. So that would be better because we would have squeezed twice. Like here, everybody's getting short. Probably some people will get short again here. So if the longs can hold, or if the long move can hold that start, it would be a sign that we have some volume behind there. And it could be very interesting because then we would break higher, and the next important time for me would be the 2140, and of course here the 4-hour 2021 exponential moving average. It would be the first retest of this 4-hour since the beginning of the week. No, the 24th was 2 days ago, since Wednesday. So we already tested it, so it could be the break time. We'll see that. It's very hard now to be trying to go with a short-term view inside that moves we have. So it's very complicated. The price action is really not clear. I mean, it's clear, but it's spreading a lot of confusion, which is what market wants to do. And when markets does it, there is a good reason for that, which means we are getting ready for a big move. And we know, well, at least I think I know where is this move going to be. So I see no reason. I already said that yesterday, but I see absolutely no reason to get long USD here. Absolutely zero. So the only thing is happening is people get excited with this debt ceiling negotiation, but the debt ceiling, the fact that they increase the debt again and again in US is not a good news. I mean, it's even worse. And after all what happened with the bonds, with the reduction of the worldwide reserve in USD, with everything, it's even, it's even worse. So I really do not understand that that desire to be long USD here, but even if I took some short, even this morning I took a short here, but I really see no fundamental reason to do so. And that's why I do not fight for the short side on the Euro USD, but I fight on the long side of the Euro USD now. Okay, so I will stop the recording so I can post it later with less. I will go around the setup first. So this is where we are inside the fib. So you see we are soon back testing the ASEAN high over there. So if we break back above this 107.40 area, then we would run higher. That's the idea. From the price exertion indicator, we have some long signal building. Same thing on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, we had a short this morning. And now on the 14 period, we are inside a long 4 hour setup from yesterday together with the 1 hour. They still have room. This one a lot. This one still has room. So if we already start to see a move here, we will need to wait to see at least on the 14 period. We could, oops. We could target those this area at least and look how we are there. But this is clear that we are accumulating a lot of fuel on the 4 hour 14 period. It was the same on the 7 period, of course, which is a great setup. So any dip would be more buy for me because we are accumulating already a lot of fuel for an upside bounce. For now, inside day, we had this long setup, which is when we bounce here, and that's why I went long here on the Euro USD. I said we should see higher. If we break this, we will run for the 4 hour and even the monthly at 107.60, which is the target I have since this morning and since yesterday already. So that's what we have. And concerning Dixie, if we look at Dixie, the next target for this one would be here, 107.78. That would be where we would go. From 107.85 because of that 38 over there to 107.79, 78. So that's what we have. We will backtest this important support over there. Let me put that less big. Okay. So we will backtest this level, probably on the 61.8 here. We could see some reaction, but we have room. That's what we see. And we see we are squeezing again the shorts, which is very nice. Not for the people that are short, but for the view we are having. And from the volume point of view, we stop right on this Q123 together with the YTD volume support, which is very nice. And we stop too, which is another reason why I was really looking at that. This is the yearly pivot. So it's an important area too, okay? So that's the overall view we have for now. So I can stop the recording.